Well, back to our earlier story where Chief Justice Martha Koome has constituted a three-judge bench that will hear and determine consolidated impeachment cases challenging the impeachment of the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. This comes as Justice Chacha Mwita is set to rule on Tuesday morning on an application filed by Gachagua seeking to block the Senate from debating his impeachment. And as Duncan Khaemba now reports, piles of boxes of evidence from either party have been delivered to the Senate ahead of Wednesday.
Shortly after 4 o'clock, and these two GK double cabin pickups arrive at the Senate entrance, loaded with cartons bearing evidence that the National Assembly has brought to the Senate. Evidence supporting its impeachment resolution against the country's Deputy President, Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua. The stacks were handed over by a team of ranking sergeant-at-arms and other directors under the command of the Clerk of the National Assembly, Samuel Njoroge, and Speaker Moses Wetangula. A few minutes earlier, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua also brought several bundles of his defense material delivered by his 14-man legal team ahead of Wednesday. But as Senate gets down to the trial matter, there will be another war in the courts. Already, Chief Justice Martha Koome has empaneled a three-judge bench consisting of Justices Eric Ogolla, Frida Mugambi and Anthony Murima to hear and determine the consolidated case filed seeking to stop Parliament from impeaching Gachagua. Another petition filed in the High Court seeking to stop the Senate from holding the impeachment trial will be ruled on Tuesday. Legal counsel spent Monday arguing the case for and against impeachment.
Out of over 50 million Kenyans who have attained the age of 18, because of the shortness of the notice, only 224,907 were able to participate. But no, that is dismal. That is not public participation.
But as Gachagua's lead counsel battles in the corridors of justice, Senate Speaker Amason Kingi has made it clear Parliament cannot be injuncted by the courts.
Are respectively but firmly determined that beyond peradventure, courts of law cannot and shall not stop or attempt to prevent Parliament from undertaking its constitutional mandate. Neither can the judiciary compel any action to be undertaken by Parliament. I rule any injunction interfering with the work of Parliament has no effect on Parliament in exercise of its constitutional functions.
Outside Parliament and the courts, and Gachagua's detractors are having a field day. National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah, who is a staunch supporter of the ouster, says the job is almost done.
Nimalize mambo ya impeachment ili tukuwe na deputy president mwingine mwenye hata tuletea mambo ya aibu, mwenye hata tuchochea kama mambo ya kabila, mwenye hata kuwa kati yetu na maendeleo.
The third-term lawmaker says the House is ready for President Ruto to name a replacement as soon as Gachagua is done with. Duncan Khaemba, NTV, Nairobi.